Hello and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the stunning transformation of Mr. Aulad Hossain's apartment, an extraordinary journey of architectural creativity and interior innovation. When we first entered this space, it was a blank canvas brimming with potential. Our goal was to create a harmonious blend of functionality, elegance, and modernity. Our team worked meticulously to craft a design that reflects Mr. Hossain's vision while maximizing every square foot of the apartment. From conceptualization to execution, every detail was thoughtfully considered. The living area now exudes warmth and sophistication, featuring an open layout that invites natural light to flood the space. Custom furniture, hand-picked textures, and seamless finishes give it a truly personalized touch. In the heart of the home, the kitchen has been transformed into a functional masterpiece, merging contemporary aesthetics with practical design. The dining area complements the kitchen with a chic yet welcoming ambiance. This complete architectural and interior renovation celebrates the art of design and the joy of creating a space that feels uniquely yours. It stands as a true testament to the power of transformation. Stay tuned for updates on construction progress, design inspirations, and availability details. For inquiries, feel free to reach out to us via direct message or contact us. We'd love to hear your thoughts about our project, so let us know what features excite you the most. If you're ready to transform your space into something extraordinary, we can help bring your vision to life. Contact us today